Today we're in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. It's about 100 degrees outside. I put clothes on just for you guys, and we're gonna do some meditation. Listen to the sound of the animals. Anytime I travel somewhere else, I always learn something, right? How the people live. And then you'll be living your best life.
Let's go, baby, let's go!
Welcome everybody. Today we're in Kanchanaburi, Thailand, next to a beautiful river. It's about 100 degrees outside. I put clothes on just for you guys, and we're gonna do some meditation. I think the theme of this meditation is gonna be living our best life, right? Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna sit in cross-legged position. You're gonna ignore my toes because I've been in Thailand for 2 weeks and I haven't got my nails done. Okay, now we try to relax. Close your eyes. And then we're just gonna start with some deep breaths, right? Go. Just breathe in and out. Hold it for 3 seconds. Listen to the sound of the animals. Brings you back to being one with nature. So we said this meditation is going to be living your best life, right? And the key to living your best life is to really do what you want to do without having to consider other people's opinions as much. Just do what makes you happy. As long as you're not hurting anybody, right? That's the key. Well, sometimes you have to hurt people's feelings. Not intentionally, but you know, you can't make everybody happy. Just think what it would be if everybody just decided to live their best life. Be happy. We only have one life, right? Swing. Ooh. Gosh, I haven't been on a swing in forever. It's been at least 10 years. It's so beautiful out here. That saying, not the same river, not the same man. Anytime I travel somewhere else, I always learn something, right? How the people live. They live a lot more simple than what I live, at least, back home. But I am very, very happy, and a lot of people, they're very happy with a lot less. It's not about the things that you have. It really isn't. The company you keep is like a really big deal. If you want to have a really nice life and be living your best life. Because if you keep bad people around you, they're just going to drag you down with them. Be positive. Have a good outlook. Try to solve problems with solutions. If you want to complain about something, come with a solution for it. Not just a complaint. That does nothing good. Get out, travel more. Really changes your perception of a lot of things. You can see how nature can be still. But usually, when nature is still, there's something wrong, right? Like this water is even still flowing. When everything gets quiet in the forest, that means there's a big animal around. So you should probably start running. Same with me. Like I just like to get up and go. Keep moving. You know, I had a big birthday this year. And people say you should act your age, right? Like, what does that really mean? They want you to stop having fun? Never act your age, people. Do what makes you happy. And it gets contagious. People want to start having fun with you. Or at least fun in their own lives. Have one life. Be happy. Live your best life. So what you want to do is, when you have those negative thoughts, acknowledge them, right? Just like you see a boat on this river, you acknowledge it, but you just let it float on by, right? A lot of the time our thoughts, they trick us. I know what I do still, right? Because I'm not perfect. I try to think of any possible way something will go wrong. A lot of the time, nothing goes wrong. I think it's good to prepare for those bad things, right? But we don't have to consider every single one. Put a bunch of positive things in your head, and you turn into a positive person, right? And then you'll be living your best life. All right, and that's where we're going to end today's video. Tune in next time, guys. Bye.